Guko ne kwa Kikuyu podcast. Guys, mambo yamechemuka na kinara mundu no marathi na mbere mathiete uru mwena-ini wake. No muthenya wa ira kwina ndeto cia circulate muno guku mwena wa online na turonira andu a ODM makiaria na turona andu angi akuma mwena wa UDA makiaria na marauga ũũ ati wiki ĩno ĩtanathira Sifuna ni akuingatwo kiama-ini kia ODM na ni kurutwo position-ini ya SG kana Secretary General wa kiama kia ODM na marauga atiriri mundu ũrĩa ũgwĩkĩrwo ho ni Raila Ole Nkina ũrĩa wa kuma kuria mwena wa Narok. Now mundu ũgwĩtwo Otiende Amollo na Millie Adhiambo ni mokite na makaria. Otiende Amollo ũyũ nake ni wa ODM na augite ũũ, he is not aware of any NDC. Ndari aware ati kana kwina kigomano giothe kiria kia ODM kweheria Sifuna ta SG. He is not aware of it. Na gutire undu tocio. Remember, Kinara is pushing for it. Lo, higwa dumwe ODM mekobi kuregana na maundu maya. Mubango wake ni guthira urathi uthirite. Akende akauga atiriri ati mundu gwitwo party leader wao ni okire arie. I remember maigata mundu gwitwo Sifuna, that's the end of ODM. Na kama ndio mkire video ya mundu gwitwo Otiende Amollo uria augite, the moment Raila Odinga akwire, the moment uria athikirwo, uguo niguo ODM yathikirwo na ODM gutura haro na niguthira irathira. So the moment Raila akwire, the moment athikirwo, ucio hari mwisho wa ODM. Toguo tu mundu gwitwo Junet Mohammed ni okite na ka expose na njira nene muno uria marire mbeca cia agents no uria matumire Raila ndakahotane githurano kia mwaka wa 2022. Ndeto betu thikire video na ya Otiende Amollo ni nguka na horo ciongi wothe. Ladies and gentlemen, ni mara kinene muno musubscribe thini wa channel ino ya Kikuyu podcast. Eno video ya Otiende Amollo.
You asked whether there's a plan to have a National Management Committee meeting or an NDC to discuss the conduct of the Secretary General. As we have said here, first, none of us is aware of any such planned meeting so far. But all we have urged is that we have urged our party leader to call the relevant organ to discuss these matters, not just the SG, but the matters that are emerging. So we are hoping that we could actually have such matters and to discuss them within the party, not in funerals or in rallies or elsewhere. And so that's in tandem with what we are saying, but we are not aware of any plan yet. Saying that the SG was talking about money that was eaten and Junet was talking about money that was not given. Those are the things we are asking the party leader to rein in and call a meeting so that we can discuss.
Guys, ucio ni Otiende Amollo. Things are boiling. Tekwega. Mambo yamechemuka. So Kinara is pushing others maigate mundu fulani na wangi makauga utire tocio. In fact, ogithikia video yothe tonene akirauga atiriri party leader okire mageri go solve maundu maya internally meta ODM. They know very well maigata Sifuna is the end of ODM. Still maigata Sifuna, they know very well ODM to ODM egotigwo Nyanza, egotigwo kuruwetwo Kisumu, Siaya na Homa Bay. Western itaenda na kwa kuge akwegwothe kutenda maigata Sifuna. So wanajua the moment wamefukuza Sifuna, ODM egotigwo account is that Kisumu, Siaya na Homa Bay. Those three counties only. So they can't dare kufukuza Sifuna. Sifuna, remember, is one of the strongest person then wa ODM. If they chase him, that's the end of ODM. Na hau nio urona riri agene maramaka twaigata Sifuna twekira Raila Ole Nkina dagigira iratu-ini cia Sifuna kila mundu ne strength yake na Sifuna strength ya Sifuna niyo nene gukira weakness yake. Now ladies and gentlemen, mundu witwa Junet Mohamed niokite na kaniko ne kuria Exalate ni ariria besha cia agents thini wa ithurano cia mwaka wa 2022 na tikiu nikio gitumi giatumire Raila ndakahotane. Na ugirora thini wa gatheti ya Standard muthenya wa umuthi yandikite kiongo kinene muno ekauga die hard traitor. Kiongo kigatheti ni kiugite die hard traitor. Riwe kwena ndu wathi na mbere na maundu maria matwikaga thini wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 kwatuka atiriri Uhuru ni marutire milioni 500 cia kuriha agents, more than 500 million cia kuriha agents all over the country. No gatuika atiriri thini wa Central Kenya gutire na agents a ODM. Agents aya mari kwa thini wa Mount Kenya region ni UDA tu. Nike maragire ukomekwo tondu matiarihitwo. Now I called hetwo deposit ye ni guthii wira. Remember thini wa election what usually happens egetha agents ya kumarore kura cia kwega first no gina ugiamba kuma deposit roshini, make sure pesa zimeingia, deposit pesa zimeingia. Egetha githurano kiu githira uguo uka make sure tigikirika uguo komereire mbeca icio ingĩ cikuingira. So they failed to do that. Exalate mundu uria urugameire maundu maya na Junet Mohamed. So he is called a die-hard traitor tondu mbeca iria ciarĩ cirĩhwo kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo agents Exalate nĩo megunire nacio. So he is facing this criticism. No rĩu nĩ arahũrĩra mũndũ gwĩtwo Ruto irebe gũkũ guothe, yet nĩendirie Raila. Kĩndũ mwĩrĩ ũndũ ũmwe, as we speak ona Raila akuĩte, the heart a Raila mangĩigua atĩ nĩ wa betray Raila, we newe ucio nĩguo mũico waku. Remember mũndũ gwĩtwo Junet Mohamed nĩ anyitetwo guoko nĩ Raila Odinga. Remember ye nĩ mũcumari no akoretwo MP Suna East. Suna East ni awaingi, I think ni Wajaluo na Waluya huko, but mundu gwetwo Raila okay akimuoya akimutwara kuu. And remember as a person, Raila is a person auga we uthurwo we ni unachagurwa bila maswali. Ugu ni ukuri. Raila akisema ni wewe, hivyo ndio ilikuanga. So remember Raila amuira akimutwara Suna East kuri atena andu ake kuu, yet he betrayed him kurigana na ritoria cira trend guku online. Tawo tu ladies and gentlemen, hena mundu mwe ndona akiaria thini wa podcast imwe akerethera niki Raila atahirwo kura. By the way ati kura 700,000 ndahirwo kuma kuria mwena wa Nyanza region. Mulicio thini wa podcast hiyo auga the main reason niki Raila agire kuheo kura kuria mwena wa Nyanza region na toni regetha wacho wakiuga ndahirwo kura ta 700,000 na ngehirwo kura icio ni agire president. Ati tondu Raila hena mahitia kaga. Raila ni oka ko dictate andu ameguthurwo kuria kwao, okaga pick mundu angiko nomination we ni wa shida na Raila ndakwenda, angiko we ni wa shida na we niwe andu marenda na Raila ndakwenda, ameka ishua ni wagwa akoe mundu ri arenda akamuplant hau. Angiko tu na bia na niwe andu marenda wai kumunengera mundu ungi akamunengere. That's all. Ukona andu acio kuria mena wa Nyanza muno nyaki ati ni matathia guvotie Raila amekagira andu aria matarenda. Akoko iko ni governor tio mekwendaga, MP tio mekwendaga, KK tio mekwendaga. The like of Kaspo, so what happened? ODM yapikira mundu makiuga tugwikira uyu, yet maybe andu tio mendaga. Oko gwe kukinya ngi tuwa kia president Raila amekiria andu aria matarenda. Ogo maybe kuma MP, women rep, governor oko andu acio no matina psych ya guthi gwikia kura. Niki wetakire wetu kwendaga, you are being forced to elect you. Ugu ni mundu arethera thini wa podcast yo na macio ni mahitia manene muno na Raila ni ekaga, and that's how Raila used to play his politics. Na kene amenyaga ena influence na muno ako big point yo na amenyaga when uthuro, but it was Branda eka lead andu mage ko turn out todo mwathi guthura muria mutekwendaga ole podcast mone manyu Michael inyu murenda atia inyu murona atia sorry inyu murona atia thank you, God bless you guys, it is what it is, kwani konini